Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to download and install XAMPP on your Windows operating system. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. So let's search here XAMPP. It will be very first website. Simply click on it. Now on this web page, you have to click on this XAMPP for Windows. You'll get this sort of a dialog. Simply save the file. So you can see the download has started. So as you can see, the download is done. Simply click on the file, click on yes, click on OK. Now here, click on next button, keep it as it is, click on next. You can pick a different folder for the installation, but I'll leave it as it is. Let's click on next. You can pick a different language here, but I'll keep English. Let's click on next. Again. So finally the installation has been started. Click on allow access. Finally the installation is done. Now let's click on finish. Now you'll get the XAMPP control panel like this, and if I want to start Apache server, I need to click on start. Same goes in case of MySQL. Let's click on it. Now to make sure it's working, you need to go to browser, type here localhost, press enter. Now in case you get this sort of a page, that means you have successfully installed XAMPP on your Windows operating system. So I hope you understood how to do so. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.